Alright guys, now I'm ready to transfer money to another country. So this is a brand new account. Congratulations, your first transfer fee is on us. Continue sending to secure your zero transfer fee now. I want to money back there, so my sister living in Sri Lanka. Then I'm gonna find out the country. So normally you can scroll down or you can type in your country, whatever you need to send money to country. So I'm going to type in Sri Lanka. Alright, I find out Sri Lanka. You can send money, send up to 30,000 US dollars. Okay, I want to test this is a brand new account. Then I'm not sending big money right now, so I want to transfer $30 US dollar bank account. I'm going to check the bank account. Can transfer credit card, debit card, or bank account. Right now, so I have a bank account, her bank account. Then I go to transfer bank account. Click again, then continue. Most of our transfer are delivered to 0 to 1 business days. Continue. You can see summary exchange rate 1 US dollar 361.97 Sri Lankan rupees. Transfer amount 30 US dollar. Transfer fee 0. This is a brand new account. Then they give in a 0 transfer fee. Transfer total 30 US dollars. Receiver. So my sister taking 10,859 rupees. 0 to 5 business days. Okay, everything clear. Then I'm going to continue. Protect yourself from fraud. Only use Western Union to send money to friends and family. Then I'm going to accept. Okay, you have to fill up information: receiver first name, receiver last name, street address, city, email, phone number, receiver bank account information, branch name, account name, re-enter account name, purpose, transaction. Purpose of transaction, choose one. You can choose one. Then you can continue. That's the way how to send from Western Union money transfer to another country. Okay guys, now I put all the information about the bank details. Then I have to pay with my bank. They're asking add your new bank account, online bank. So manual bank entry to add and continue paying. So I'm going to find out the bank right here. Then we can find out if your bank not over here, then you can find out all other banks. Alright, I go with All National Bank, search. About signing into online banking, this secure connection, All National. Your bank login information cannot be seen by Western Union. Or everything else secured, nobody can see. I mean, Western Union cannot see your bank details. Alright, then I'm going to put my bank details over here and agree and sign in. Okay, this final part. Then you can continue to transfer money another country using your bank.